What is 404 error? A 404 error occurs when the requested web page is not found on the server. This can happen for several reasons. 1. Content removal or relocation. The most common cause is that the URL or its content, like files or images, has been deleted or moved without updating internal links. 2. Incorrect URL. The URL may have been written, linked, or typed incorrectly during creation, redesign, or by the user. 3. Server issues. The server hosting the website may be down or experiencing connectivity issues. 4. DNS problems. The domain name system, DNS, may fail to convert the domain name to an IP address. 5. Non-existent domain. The entered domain name might no longer exist. Dead links or links that lead to 404 errors can persist for a long time because website operators may not be aware that the linked content has been moved or deleted. Websites may still appear in search engine results pages, SERPs, even after being removed or relocated. Blogs, news portals, and other linked sites are often not informed about changes in URLs. Additionally, many website operators do not regularly check their external links, leading to functional links becoming dead ones over time. How to fix a 404 error. 1. Check URL accuracy. Verify the correctness of the URL, removing any errors or unnecessary characters. 2. Redirect old URLs. Implement permanent 301 or temporary 302 redirects for outdated URLs. 3. Restore deleted content. If content was mistakenly deleted, restore it to its original location. 4. Update internal links. Ensure all internal links direct to the correct pages, updating any pointing to old URLs. 5. Fix broken links. Use tools like Google Search Console to identify and rectify broken links on your site. 6. Customize error page.